Hey friends, welcome to the wild episode of unbelievable natural disaster moments caught on camera, which will leave you speechless. Think you've seen it all? Think again, sit back, relax, and enjoy watching Nature Mother reminding us who's really in charge. So, let's dive right in. When 7.6 Richter scale earthquake hit Cayman Island and tsunami warning was in effect, it led to massive destruction on the coastline and near residential area, and suddenly huge wave wiped out the town. This guy was recording thinking it was just a small landslide, but it turned out to be a massive landslide in Taiwan. Do you think is it a good idea to record disasters or save yourself first? The rarest volcanic eruption moment from Hawaii caught on camera. It looks so magnificent when incredible lava flows with full force. When this guy walked down the stairs, he found himself trapped inside his apartment as massive floods hit the entire area in China due to extreme rainfall. What would you do if you were there? This is one of the shocking natural disaster moments caught on camera when heavy rainfall in mountain areas of India leads to massive devastation and completely wipes out the houses.
Mama! Mama! Oh, Mama!
Oh shit!
Sometimes nature shows us unbelievable moments, and this is one of those when this guy recorded a car completely getting sucked into a sinkhole caused by heavy rainfall in the area.
Oh shit!
There were some tourists who were enjoying the view of mountains covered with snow when suddenly one of them saw a massive avalanche coming towards them from behind. Do you think it's a good idea to take pictures during such moments? Comment down below. If you think you have seen all terrific moments, you are wrong. Look when people got stuck upon their car during heavy flooding on the roads of Australia. In the end, everyone was rescued safely. Some moments look so unreal, and one of them is when the National Highway in Darchula carves through breathtaking mountain panoramas. This man in Arizona continues to film Andover tornado right up until it swallows his yard. This man had the guts to record this terrifying moment. What would you do if you were there in his position? Nature always tells who is the real boss. With the blink of an eye, a massive landslide happened on the highway of Taiwan, which led to destruction of cars parked under it. At the end, everyone was safe. When nature hits, it hits harder, whether you are on roads or on rooftops. This old man was swimming at the rooftop pool in Taipei when a high Richter scale earthquake struck. Thanks for sticking around until the end. What was the most impressive moment for you? What would you do if you were in that situation? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Catch you later.